Hello students, today we will discuss a new chapter, that is chemical coordination and integration, or you can say we will study about endocrine system. So what is endocrine system? Endocrine system is a system which generally control long-term activities of target organs as well as physiological processes such as digestion, metabolism, growth, development, reproduction. We have already learned about nervous system. The nervous system provides point-to-point rapid coordination among organs. But there is a problem. The neural coordination, though it is fast, though it works faster, but still they are short-lived. As the nerve fibers do not innervate all the cells of the body and the cellular functions need to be continuously regulated, a special kind of coordination and integration has to be provided. So this is provided by the endocrine system by secreting a special type of chemical known as hormones. So endocrine system comprises of ductless glands. Remember exocrine system? Exocrine system comprises of glands which secrete enzymes. They have ducts. But here the endocrine system comprises of ductless glands called endocrine glands which secrete special chemical substances known as hormones. These hormones regulate the other glands as they are circulated through blood to the sites where they work. They regulate the activity of the glands and act as both inducer and inhibitors. The study of endocrine glands and their secretion is known as endocrinology. So the major endocrine glands which are present in a human body are hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid glands, adrenal glands, parathyroid glands, pancreas, gastrointestinal mucosa, pineal gland, thymus gland, kidney, gonads, and placenta. So first let us discuss about hypothalamus. So I think we have already discussed about forebrain. So hypothalamus, it is the part of the forebrain which is located just below the diencephalon. It develops from the ectoderm of the embryo. The hypothalamus is composed of nervous tissues. It is connected with the anterior pituitary gland or lobe by hypophyseal portal veins and with the anterior pituitary lobe by axons of its neurons. Here we can see that these are the axons, these are the neurons which are present in the hypothalamus. The cell body is present in the hypothalamus which passes through the infundibulum. This is the infundibulum which connects the pituitary gland and the hypothalamus. Through the infundibulum, and the ends of the axon rest in the posterior pituitary gland. So whatever hormones it is secreting, some of the hormones which the hypothalamus secrete, it is stored in the posterior pituitary gland. So here we can see that the hypothalamus is making contact with the the hormones which are produced by hypothalamus are transported to the anterior pituitary gland by the hypophyseal portal veins and the posterior pituitary glands by axons of its neuron. The portal veins and axon pass through a stalk. Just now I told you this is the infundibulum through which the stalk the hypophyseal portal veins and the neurons passes through. The neurosecretory cells of hypothalamus secrete hormones which are known as neurohormones. The hypothalamus secretes two types of hormones: releasing hormones and inhibitory hormones. The hormones which are secreted by the hypothalamus controls the pituitary gland. That is, the hypothalamus, the hormones which are secreted by the hypothalamus basically controls the pituitary gland. Whether this pituitary gland will release the hormones or not is executed by the hormones which are produced by the hypothalamus. So now let us see what are the hormones and how does it affect, on which hormone does it affect. Releasing hormones or factors, these are the hormones which are secreted by the hypothalamus, which induces the pituitary gland to release its hormones. So first is thyrotropin releasing hormone. This hormone stimulates the secretion of thyroid stimulating hormone or thyrotropin by anterior pituitary gland. Growth releasing hormone or somatotropin releasing hormone, this stimulates the anterior pituitary gland to secrete growth hormone. Adrenocorticotropic releasing hormone stimulates the anterior pituitary gland to secrete adrenocorticotropic hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone, it stimulates the anterior pituitary gland to secrete follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Melanocyte releasing hormone stimulates the secretion of melanocyte stimulating hormone by the anterior pituitary lobe. Prolactin releasing hormone stimulates the secretion of prolactin or lutotropin hormone by anterior pituitary gland. Next comes inhibitory hormones. These hormones inhibit the secretion of the pituitary gland. So let us see what are they. First, growth hormone inhibiting hormone. So this inhibits the secretion of growth hormone by anterior pituitary gland. Prolactin inhibiting hormone, it inhibits the secretion of prolactin hormone. Next, melanocyte inhibiting hormone, it inhibits the secretion of melanocyte hormone by the pituitary gland. Thank you.